as you can see, I was having a little trouble loading that log. It was my first time doing it by myself, and I'm afraid of damaging the log stops. That excavator could destroy this mill without even hesitating. So I'm being a little cautious with it. And now that I'm looking at the log, I think I landed it incorrectly. The small end is down here, the larger end is up by the mill. And that's traditionally not how you should load it, because it's a little bit harder to square everything up. It just means that you're going to be making multiple cuts. This log is also full of dirt, so I'm going to have to get the pressure washer out here to clean it up. Not a big deal, just means a little bit extra time. It's another reason why you want to try to keep the logs off the ground. And I was in a rush last year and earlier this year, so I didn't plan my process out as well as I should have. Anyway, now I know going forward.